Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. So here we're going to install the Oracle VirtualBox and download the Oracle VirtualBox for Windows with the Windows host. And since I'm using the Windows, so I'm going to download Windows host, and then we need to download all supported platform extension pack. So these two things we need to download, and the third is we need to download the OS, CentOS. So same way we go CentOS download, go to download and go to CentOS stream and download x86 underscore 64. So I just want to mention here, I was already using the Oracle VirtualBox. I uninstalled from my computer and I'm going to reinstall again. I was using already some virtual machines. So once I install this VirtualBox, the VirtualBox all automatically will pick up those virtual machines. So I already downloaded again this Windows host and all supported platform and ISO file for the x86-64 CentOS. So now I have all three. Now I'm going to install the Oracle VirtualBox. So double click. Next, next, press yes, yes, install. So here we are installing, or we just finished 7.0 virtual Oracle VirtualBox 7.0.8. So we'll say start, finish, and start. So here it's already here. Some VMs I was using, so the VirtualBox automatically pick up those virtual machines. Now we go to tools, and we will press the install, or you can right click tools and extension pack manager. So these two ways you can go and the same interface you can see. So now we need to attach the Oracle virtual machine VirtualBox extension pack, which is I already added, but I will just uninstall. So just go here, install, and show the extension pack you downloaded with the same version you install the Oracle VirtualBox. So 7.0.8, open, install. So I agree. So you can see the green sign. It means there is no error. So VirtualBox is installed. So now we go to create the new machine. So before going to create the new machine for CentOS 9, I just need to remove this, which is no use for anymore. So I just right click and I will say remove. So any VM you want to remove, if there is no use, you right click and remove and say delete all files. So in this way, your hard drive space will be recovered and the files belongs to this VM will be all deleted. And now we go to new, set up the new VM. So go to machine, new, and here we can say CentOS 9 underscore node 2 or server 2. I have already CentOS installed. So this is, I will say 2. And we can attach the image here. So I'm not going to do it. We will do it later. We'll just press next. So this will be the location for the VM. And if you want to change, you can go ahead, you can change, but I'll keep all the default. Press next. And so it says the base memory. Base memory pick up automatically 2048. I will give the 4096 for the 4 gig for the memory for to VM and 2 processor. So we will press next. So this is you can give the memory and processor as per your hardware you have. So so here we're going to go give 40 gig for the hard drive space and press next. And this is all hardware you can see, which is belongs to the VM. So the machine name will be, as I mentioned, CentOS underscore node 2. Machine folder is this, and test memory processor is here. So we can finish. Just right click and go to settings. From here, we'll keep in general keep all in systems. We can see the memory we assign, and here we uncheck the floppy, bring it down, floppy drive, and keep optical first and hard drive. And the important thing is pointing device. Pointing device, I'll keep the US multi-touch tablet. The reason to use this, uh, like when you are using VM, your mouse pointer won't stuck in the virtual machine. So it will be easily, if you select this option, then it will be easily move from virtual machine to host and host to virtual machine. Otherwise, you need to press the control or shift or some combination of key to uh, remove, release the cursor from your VM. So this is easy. Keep this. Go to display, and video memory. You go to 128 MB. Storage. Here we're going to attach the ISO. From here you can have a ISO here, or if not here, you go to choose, create a virtual optical disk, and from here you go add, and this is your CentOS. Wherever your CentOS is, just go there on that location and select and press open, and it will come here. And from here you just say choose, and so you can see your ISO here. And network, you go to network, and I will use bridge because this will give my VM internet access. So I press OK. So in next, I will just start this virtual machine. So right click and normal start. So you will see this screen, first screen. You will use the up arrow and select the option install CentOS Stream 9 and press enter. So here, this will be the first screen once you start the VM installation for the CentOS. So here we're going to press continue. And here you don't need to do anything except installation destination. Go here, press the hard drive you created, add disk, and then press done. Again, done. And you can see here the message will come. So this is, it says no disk selected. So we will go again. Again, select the disk, add disk, and you press done and done. So we look again. It says automatically partitioning selected. Partitioning selected. So next we'll go software selection. We just keep it all default. Okay, done. And the date, if you want to change. Network, I already set up bridge. I make the bridge on the setting, so it was taking connected with the internet. Connect, done. Now we go to root, set up the root password. Press done. And so this is the only 4 option you need to do. Root password setup, network, look, the network is there, is connected. And in the hard drive you need to attach the GUI, it's there, and language, keyboard, There is nothing to you need to do. Just and the date and time it will pick up automatically. So now we're going to begin installation. So in this video, we're going to go from basic to advanced level. So we will learn a lot. So make sure you subscribe and so you can see my next video. And give us a feedback how we are doing or if anything we need to make change in the video or you're looking more detail. So I will work on it. So installation is completed. We're going to reboot the system. So from here we will start up, press the button start, press next, skip. So there is two options here. We can create the local user or if this VM you want to connect with the network, domain join. So you can do it. You put the domain name, user and password. So we go back to local user, Smith, and next, we enter the password. Next, start using Centos stream. You go to activities and this will just press no thanks. So you go open the terminal, username, who am I, and the current working directory, pwd. So the installation is completed. We set up the virtual machine, Oracle Virtualbox, and install the CentOS 9. So please give us a feedback and let us know how we can improve. And please subscribe, share, and like. Press the like button. And see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.